Hi guys, thanks for joining me for an easy swipe that I'm going to be doing today. I'm also going to be experimenting a little bit, but I'll mention that when I get there. To prepare for the swipe, I'm adding 1 drop of silicone oil to each of the base paint colors and then giving them a quick stir. For anyone new to this, the silicone oil is what is going to create the cells that you'll see forming later. With the paints ready, I'm laying down my various base colors. Each of these paints is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, plus that 1 drop of silicone oil that you saw me add earlier. You can find the exact paint colors, ratios, and supplies that I'm using in the description box. Everything will be listed there. Usually when I swipe over blues, I use white because it gives me ocean vibes. But today I'm going to swipe over with black just to see what that looks like. I've also been wondering for a while if adding another black line partway through the colors will help achieve more of the pronounced cells like you see here. So that's my little experiment for today. The ivory black paint is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water, and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. I really love the colors down here. I think they look really pretty. I'm not really a fan of this experimental part where I added the extra black on this particular painting. But maybe if you were using a swipe to create a background for a painting, it might be helpful to use this approach to create an area of darker shading if you needed that. Anyway, thanks for joining me. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I look forward to seeing you again next time.